It is 6:20. Oh, ow, my tattoo. That hurt. The party was really fun. I didn't film while I was at the party, obviously, because there was like fuckloads of other kids there. So that was really fun. I got home, I want to say about 4:30ish. Ben came and took the kids to his, and then I'm collecting them tomorrow about 3. I don't know what to do. I really want to go out tonight, but I've got no one to go out with. So, I don't know. I'm having a white claw to see if it can give me the energy to go out and cause some chaos. Because that is what I feel like I want to do. That's it. That's it. I've got eyelashes on today, look. Little like half wispy ones. I really like them. I really, really like them. I've had my makeup on for like 10 hours. I don't feel like it looks too bad. If I do go out, I'm not doing anything else. I'm just going to go like this. Yeah, I'll talk to you tomorrow at some point maybe. I don't know. We'll see.